Hello, artist. I wanted to invite you to my monthly membership called the Joy Art Club. And in this video, I compiled a selection of the exclusive content that you get access to. Now, this is only snippets of the videos that are available this month. We have some process videos, there's a sketchbook share, and there's also a really fun vlog from my recent trip to the US. But besides all of these, you also get inspiration in form of exclusive Pinterest boards, and I gather a collection of book recommendations, artist inspiration, courses that are available online. What I love about the Joy Art Club is that besides my own content, my own process videos, and all those sorts of things that are available in the membership, we also have a welcoming, warm community where you can ask questions, share your challenges, share your work. We have also our own challenges that help us get more creative. And we talk about all things art, and that means not just my courses and my videos, but other courses and resources that we find valuable and helpful. I truly believe that in order to become a better artist, one should learn under many, many different teachers. And that is why I talk about this in the membership and I share with you the best resources that I find. And B, I kept the price very, very attractive and very, very low. It's only €9 a month or €79 a year, which means that you basically get 3 months for free, which allows you then to participate in other courses or memberships if you choose so. I know this is against all traditional marketing where I should just be promoting myself, but that's just not who I am. And that's one of the things that I love about the Joy Art Club. Besides all the valuable content that I provide you, we can also discuss all things and share what helps each one of us become better artists. And I also post monthly and weekly challenges to help you get going. And it's just a very lovely, colorful place to be. Now we're coming up to the 5th month of the membership, and the idea was, especially in this first year, to build it together. And so if you join now, we are already over 70 people there. If you join now, you have a real chance to make a difference and help me create content that you would like to see. So I hope you will join us. This video, as I said, just includes a little selection of the videos of this month. Every month there is a drop of all new content, all new inspiration. And again, you get to be a part of the community and get access to all the exclusive content. So this is the beautiful, beautiful fall colors of Minnesota in October. And you can get a glimpse of what I was up to while I was visiting a friend there. So I hope you will join us. I welcome you to come and share your art journey with us. This is Monet. Yeah, I know. It's breathtaking. Okay, thanks for watching.